Hello, and welcome to my video. Let's talk about
MIT breakthrough discovery helps you save up to 65% on power bills. Starting today. It's time you learn the truth. Renewable energy is not expensive. Done the right way, you'll have it up and running for mere pennies. Never at the 20K price tags you hear about on TV. And you can see the savings piling up overnight. You might be going all the way up to 65% off your power bill from the very first month. Imagine $200 for a system, for a worry-free life and a bank account of savings. It's probably the simplest, easiest to use A to Z blueprint that anyone can follow to make their own cheap green electricity. No matter if you have no money to spend on a ridiculous off-the-shelf $20,000 system. No matter if you don't have the time or patience to go through trials and errors. No matter if you've never built anything before. The benefits are nothing short of amazing. You won't need the grid. You won't need the space. Plus, there's no maintenance required. Here's what's inside. Power up any kind of household appliances, from lamps and toasters to electricity hogs like refrigerators and AC units. Power up a remote cabin in wilderness and stop worrying about having to pay $50,000 or more. How to build a 3D solar panel in under an hour. The complete blueprints, color photos and step-by-step instructions. If going solar is so good, why aren't more people doing it? First, it's the price of retail solar panel systems. Second, it's the fear factor. Most people think this is too complex to build. The fact is, going solar is easy when you have the proper blueprint. How hard will this be to make? This is so simple and easy to build, you'll kick yourself for not taking up solar energy earlier. The whole thing takes 2 hours, doesn't require strength, and the most difficult task you'll do is just a bit of cutting. How long will this take? It will take you a little over 30 minutes to watch the video. And that's it. Building the system takes under 2 hours if you're slow. I don't have a lot of space. Will this work for me? Not only it will work for you, but it's probably the best kind of solar array you could hope for. That's because you can make use of any space, not just a backyard, but also a balcony. That is, the whole system is less than 10 square feet. I live in a cold state. Will this work for me? It definitely will. Solar is not about hot or cold. It's about the sun. And the coldest winter days are the sunny ones. Can I power an entire house with this? This can definitely power an entire house, but it all comes down to how much power you're actually using. The system can be scaled to give you as much power as you want, and adding new modules is easy once you understand simple principles. Get access to entire step-by-step by visiting link in description.
Please click the link in description for more information. Bye.